If you are looking for a multifunction USB-C adapter for your laptop, PC or Mac machine, then UGREEN multifunction adapter is the best. Let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Srini, and this channel is all about unboxing and review. And today I am going to unbox UGREEN 7-in-1 USB multifunction adapter. So this I recently purchased from Amazon, and I will share the link in the description below. And this I purchased basically to connect my machine to various devices. So first, let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. So this is UGREEN 7-in-1 USB-C multifunction adapter. It comes with two USB-C and two USB-A ports and one HDMI port. And also you have SD card and TF card. Okay, so now we open the box and let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box you will get a multifunction adapter. So here is the multifunction adapter with a USB-C cable. So if you can see the ports, there are different ports available here. You can see two USB-C ports, one HDMI port and two USB-A port. And on the side you have SD card slot and you have TF card slot. If I see the build quality is pretty good. It's very strong and sturdy. It's aluminum made. When you hold this device in your hand, it feels like a premium product. And UGREEN usually have good quality of products. And I'm using a couple of UGREEN products and I'm very much satisfied. One USB-C for fast charging, it can support up to 100 watts. And this particular port does not support video or data streaming. So basically you can use other USB-C port for the data transfer. And it can support high-speed data transfer up to 5 Gbps, which is pretty good. And with HDMI, it can support up to 4K 30 Hz, which is pretty good. And the best part of this device is it supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. So that's the reason I have purchased it, because in future, if I switch my Windows laptop to a Mac machine, then I can use this device. So friends, if you're looking for any multifunction USB-C adapter, then go for UGREEN. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Tell me how do you feel about this product, and if you're using it, give me your thoughts and comments in the comment section. That's all in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.